Hello, hi, good evening.
Hello, good
So
evening.
welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can hear and see clearly.
Yes, all right. Is this Taka? Uh,
Yes, my name is Takayuki. Please call me Taka.
nice to meet you today, Taka. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
Pretty good as well. Thank you so much. Okay, so I can see here, Taka, you chose Grammar
Mm.
Beginner 42. Is that right?
Yes, it's right.
Okay, so today's lesson is number 42, and the title is You Should Exercise More. Please read the title.
You should exercise more.
It's a very good advice, right? Very nice advice. I like
Uh,
it. I like that. All right, so please check today's goal.
to be able to advise others using should.
All right, now let's move on to today's phrase. Please repeat after me twice. Let's start with the first one. You shouldn't fast.
You shouldn't fast.
You shouldn't fast.
You shouldn't fast.
You should stop overeating and exercise more.
You should stop overeating and exercise more.
Okay, one more time. You should stop overeating and exercise more.
You should stop overeating and exercise more.
Okay, very good. Now let's check today's grammar point and let us check this together. So we are studying about should or shouldn't, right? This is a recommendation, okay? Recommendation. So should is used to advise others what to do or what not to do. So positive or negative, okay? All right, so could you please read the example sentence?
Okay. You should stop overeating.
Mhm.
You shouldn't fast.
All right, this is extreme. All right, both extremes, like overeating and this one not eating, not eating. Okay, so let's have. By the way, do you have any questions with the grammar?
I have no question.
All right, so now let's move on to the new words or expressions. So please the directions here.
Listen and repeat after your teacher.
All right, so we are going to listen to the audio of US pronunciation. Okay, so let's start with the first word. Please listen and repeat.
gain,
Okay.
Gain, it means to increase in something. Okay, so please read the sentence.
I gained 10 pounds.
Okay, let's have the next.
quite,
Mhm. Quite. Okay, so it means to a very noticeable degree or extent. Okay, please read the sentence.
That's quite a lot.
Quite a lot. Now let's have the next one.
fast,
Mhm. Fast. Okay, it means to eat no food. Okay, for a period of time, maybe 1 month, 1 week, something like that. Okay, please read the sentence.
I think I should fast.
Okay, let's have the next.
probably,
Mhm. Probably. Okay, so it means very likely or almost certainly. Okay, please read the sentence.
You should probably exercise more.
Exercise more. Okay, let's have the next.
overeat,
Mhm. Overeat. Okay, so it means to eat more than is needed or more than is healthy. Okay, please read the sentence.
You should stop overeating.
That's right. And the last one.
be in bad shape,
Please read. Be in bad shape. Okay, it means to be in a bad state of health or in bad condition. Okay, please read the sentence.
You will be in bad shape.
All right. Very good. Now we're done with new words or expressions. Is there any questions so far?
I have no question.
All right, so let's move on to the short conversation. Okay, please check the directions here.
Read the following conversation with your teacher.
All right, so we'll do role play here. We'll also read the conversation together. But before that, let's listen first to the audio, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's dive in. Here we go.
Sophia gained weight, and now she's talking about a diet.
You won't believe this. I gained 10 pounds.
You did? That's quite a lot. But you are not fat.
Yes, I am. I think I should fast.
Fast? No! You shouldn't do that.
Then what should I do? I want to lose weight.
You should probably stop overeating and exercise more.
Yeah, maybe.
You should adopt a healthier lifestyle, or you'll be in bad shape.
I see. All right, let's read this together, okay? Please repeat after me. Let's start with the situation. Sophia gained weight, and now she is talking about the diet. Please read.
Sophia gained weight and now she's talking about a diet.
You won't believe this. I gained 10 pounds.
You won't believe this. I gained 10 pounds.
You did? That's quite a lot, but you're not fat.
You did? That's quite a lot, but you are not fat.
Yes, I am. I think I should fast.
Yes, I am. I think I should fast.
Fast? No, you shouldn't do that.
Fast? No, you shouldn't do that.
Then what should I do? I want to lose weight.
Then what should I do? I want to lose weight.
You should probably stop overeating and exercise more.
You should probably stop overeating and exercise more.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
You should adopt a healthier lifestyle or you'll be in bad shape.
You should adapt a healthier lifestyle or you'll be in bad shape.
Okay, very good. Now let's do the role play. So I'll be Sophia and you'll be Emily, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start. You won't believe this. I gained 10 pounds.
You did? That's quite a lot, but you are not fat.
Yes, I am. I think I should fast.
Fast? No, you shouldn't do that.
Then what should I do? I want to lose weight.
You should probably stop overeating and exercise more.
Yeah, maybe.
You should adapt a healthier lifestyle or you'll be in bad shape.
Okay, very good. Now let's switch the role. So this time you'll be Sophia and I'll be Emily, okay?
Okay.
All right, please start.
You won't believe this. I gained 10 pounds.
You did? That's quite a lot. But you're not fat.
Yes, I am. I think I should fast.
Fast? No, you shouldn't do that.
Then what should I do? I want to lose weight.
You should probably stop overeating and exercise more.
Yeah, maybe.
You should adopt a healthier lifestyle or you'll be in bad shape. All right, very good. That's nice, Taka. Good job. Okay, so do you have any questions with regards to the conversation before we move on to the next part?
I have no question.
All right, so let's have the question part. Please check the directions.
Answer the questions about the story.
Okay, so we have 3 questions here to answer about the story. Let's start with number 1. What happened to Sophia?
Sophia gained 10 pounds.
All right, that's right. So Sophia gained weight. 10 pounds. That's right. Okay, very good. Number two, what shouldn't Sophia do about her weight?
Sophie, ah, Sophia shouldn't
Hmm.
mm, fast
That's right.
about her weight.
Yes, so she shouldn't fast. Okay, Sophia shouldn't fast. It's not good. All right, and the third question is, what should Sophia do about her weight?
Sophia should stop overeating and exercise more.
Perfect. Yes, stop overeating and exercise more. All right, very good. That's perfect. Now let's move to the exercise part. So please check the directions here.
Okay, look at the following pictures and make suggestions using should or shouldn't.
Okay, so should or shouldn't. Okay, now let's do the exercise. First, let's look at the example. So here, the example, the teacher said, I think I'm fat. And the answer is, you shouldn't eat so much. Okay, so this is the answer, you shouldn't eat so much. Now, take note of the words inside the parentheses, right? Eat so much. Did you get that? Okay, so try the next picture. So the teacher would say, she can sleep lately, right? So how will you answer this?
You shouldn't drink coffee at night.
All right, you shouldn't drink coffee at night, or you can also say she shouldn't drink coffee at night. All right, okay, that's good, very good. Let's have the next picture. So he has a headache.
You he should take some medicine.
That's right, he should take some medicine. That's right. Next, his back hurts.
He shouldn't lift heavy objects.
That's perfect. He shouldn't lift heavy objects. She is so tired.
She should get some rest.
Okay, so this is positive now. She should get some rest. That is good. That's correct. All right, look at the next picture. Her eyes are burning.
She shouldn't watch TV so much.
Oh, too much TV. That's not good. That's not good, right? And the last picture, their child seems sad.
Uh, mm, mm, they shouldn't argue in front of their child.
Exactly. They shouldn't argue in front of their child. It's very important to do that because look at the child. So he is confused. He is somewhat in big problem. Okay, now